So hello guys, it's Friday, it's hair day, it's freezing. I am absolutely frozen and I feel like even this big jumper can't save me. I can't wait to get my hair done. Look at this, like what is going on here? It's like weird wispy bits. Oh my god, I'm blind. This is so dangerous. Oh, I can see the road, lads, that's the main thing, and I can see cars coming, but this is shocking. There's my auntie and my uncle. That's a bit better. Visibility was poor there for a moment. Anyway guys, I am having a fantastic morning. I actually have no idea how I'm feeling this morning because I literally just jumped out of bed, got dressed, got into the car, so I didn't even have time to process emotions or anything. I'm gonna get coffee now. I have the worst confession ever. Like, I actually have to confess this to you, but last night I stayed up till, oh my god, about 2, maybe 3 in the morning watching true crime videos, like videos about like true crime and people who were murdered basically, and some guy who was eaten on a bus, and oh god, I don't know what I was at. But then I had a nightmare because I watched the James Bulger case, and even though I know that case so well, even though I know it like inside out because it's been around my whole life and it's been a story that's shocked most people in the UK and here in Ireland, it's just horrific. But I had a nightmare because of it last night. Every time I hear the story, it traumatizes me. Into the apartment yesterday, I brought in like soft furnishings and I brought in some kind of like cute home decor, and I was considering like doing up the apartment for Halloween, but I have nowhere to store my Halloween decoration. But I will like do something, I'm sure, for Halloween. I think I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for Halloween. I think I'm working with a company, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure because I haven't finalized everything, or my management hasn't finalized everything, and I just want to make sure that it's a good fit. And you know, because I miss doing like the Halloween tutorials, I miss doing basic beauty videos, but it's just that I haven't had time. Honestly, I have not had 1 second. If I want to be into the apartment on the date like that we've said we want to be in, we have to work, and that's just it. Like, and that's why I'm vlogging so much more, so that you do have content. I can edit and upload that for you guys. With the beauty videos will be starting next week. Also, I'm pre-filming for drugstore week, see how all that goes. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get the coffee now. Hey guys, I'm home. I can kind of see is a bit better now. It's very sunny today and really warm, and I got my hair done and I'm so happy with it because it's like nice and fresh and clean and straight and just looks nice. I got a Costa as well and I'm just enjoying that, and I'm also editing, so I hope to have a video up for you. Well, I have to have a vlog up for you guys today, and then I went to Penny's, so I need to do a Penny's haul that is going to be coming. I hope to film that tomorrow actually, and yeah, that's basically kind of where I'm at now. Nothing really too exciting. I am really excited because I got all my bed like sheets and duvet covers and my duvet and the pillows and everything, so John and I are ready to kind of sleep over on Sunday night, which I'm so excited about. And yeah, that's basically all I need to fill you in on right now. I'm gonna make myself something to eat and yeah, get back stuck into the old editing. So I just finished editing the vlog from the 26th of September. There's me, you know, hanging out and having a great day and whatever. And I'm doing my apartment tour, which you would have seen as well, my empty apartment tour, which I'll be putting that up as well. You would have already seen it by now because there's 2 vlogs going up today. Yeah, so I just thought I'd let you guys know. I am still working away here and making lists of videos. So I know I wanted to do drugstore week, and it's obviously like been a struggle and a half because drugstore week is getting delayed again, but I hope to have it ready for next week. I was eating crisps. How bold of me. Anyway, I hope to have it ready like soon, because I really want to like do a full week of it. And I know like my beauty channel, oh my god, it's been suffering so bad. Like doing vlogs and stuff has been all I've been at, and it's taken an awful lot of effort and time and everything. So that's kind of where my beauty channel's at the moment. It's kind of fallen back a little bit, and I'm doing so many other projects as well and stuff behind the scenes that you guys won't get to see for a while. That's why I feel like my beauty channel's taking a step back, and I hate that, because my beauty channel is obviously what I love, and I love vlogging too. And you guys seem to prefer the vlogs, which I kind of think is strange, because some of you would have found me from my beauty videos and now you're all like loving the vlogs, which I am very happy about. But I just would have thought that the beauty videos were more interesting. I don't know, maybe not everybody's into beauty. I feel like the vlogs are kind of a little bit more laid back. They're not as structured, they're definitely not as over edited, and they're also a little bit more of my personality. If you like my personality, some people might think it's overbearing, but I think if you like vlogs and you like kind of a bit of everything, then that's why people obviously watch the vlogs. I love making vlogs as well, guys, because I feel really relaxed doing them, because I can include everything in them, like a bit of beauty. I can do like even cleaning, cooking, like a bit of my life, I guess, and including you in that. And I've had to address this a few times, but I keep getting the same comments, and maybe they're new viewers and stuff and they want to know a little bit more about John. But you know, for the most part, I'm kind of happy keeping my private life private, and I've always done that, and it's bode well for me, let's just say that, because I've seen like a few people who put an awful lot out on the internet and it bodes really well for them. Nothing bad ever happens, or no negativity or anything like that. But I just be afraid like to put stuff out there about our life and have a relationship judged and stuff. You just don't know who's like watching, and you don't know who's, you know, people's opinions on things, and I really just, I want to put him first as well. So that's just kind of where I'm at. I was going off on a tangent there actually. What I'm trying to get at is I'm glad you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and the beauty videos will be back up and running very, very soon. I also have a few events to go to. I am working with Nivea a lot this month, which is super exciting, so you'll see an awful lot of Nivea content from me. I love Nivea. It's not the brand itself, I love the brand obviously, but it's the people behind the brand. They're so amazing. I have been treated like an absolute princess by the Nivea brand as a whole, and I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel really, really happy working with them and supporting them and featuring them on my channel. Yeah, so you will see some of that coming up from the beauty side. Oh guys, we're after having a bit of a traumatic episode. I don't mean to be dramatic, but this is traumatic. I was just sitting down working and my front door was rapping, and I was like, what the hell, what's going on? Like, I had just let Chewy out the front door, and I was like, who is that? So I went downstairs and it was my neighbour, and she was kind of like coming in. She was like, Ashing, are you here? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, we just saw you let Chewy out. A dog's after attacking him. And I was like, what do you mean a dog's after attacking him? They're like, we just let him into our house. So basically what's after happening is somebody has a massive Akita and a Rottweiler, but the Akita and the Rottweiler were out together roaming around the housing estate, and there's little kids going around, little dogs, cats, people in general, and they weren't muzzled, and they must have got out of their house or whatever. Like, you shouldn't have big dogs like that in a housing estate. Where do I even begin to start like arguing about this? But the dogs got out and attacked my auntie's dog, she lives next door, and attacked Chewy, and I feel so helpless. He's okay, like, but he was attacked. But my auntie's dog was in the vet because they ripped like him open and he needs stitches basically. But there was a man down at the bottom of the road in with one of my other neighbours, and he actually had a hurley stick in the back of his van. He took the hurley stick out and he started to beat the dogs. I don't know, like, first of all, he's very brave because the dogs could have turned on him, and those dogs have lockjaw as well, and they just like literally lock their jaw in and rip flesh out. That's what those dogs do, and that's why they're on the dangerous dogs list and they have to be muzzled. So their dogs are out and attacked Chewy. Now he's okay, but he is bleeding, so we're going to have to bring him to the vet. Now it's after 6, so we can't bring him to the vet till tomorrow. There is an emergency vet that you can go to, but he's not, like, it's not an open wound, it's like a like a flesh, like it's just a cut on his flesh basically. It's not an open bleeding wound. Like, he's not whimpering and he's not crying, but we're just kind of concerned and worried. So first thing in the morning we're bringing him to the vet just to have a little look over him, but my auntie's dog has gone down to the emergency vet to get a stitch because he was very badly injured. But imagine if that was a child. If that was a young child or a baby or anything, it would have been killed. 100%. Those dogs are on the dangerous dogs list because they are dangerous dogs, and now they're after attacking. I love animals. I love animals. But if an animal has blood, like if it's been blooded, basically it's tasted blood or it's attacked or anything like that, it'll do it again and again and again. And I'm just so upset because poor Chewy he's frightened and he's fretting, but he's not in pain, he's not whimpering. And we touched the wound and we washed the wound down, and I cleaned him in the bath to see was it like really deep, and it's just like a cut on his body, like it's not an open wound. But like, oh my god, if anything had happened to Chewy, and even my auntie Blawheen's dog Bing Bong, like I'm just so upset. Like,